I studied in materials engineering at Faculdade da Universidade do Porto. The liking for the engineering has come from the fact that I'm a very big aviation geek, and also came from my dad. My dad is an engineer also, and yeah, I saw him every day, and I thought, yeah, maybe this is cool. Hello, my name is Guilherme Garcia, and I'm production supervisor at the injection section at Aloft. My first year here at Aloft was a very big mark on my life, because it was the first day that I managed to work and to be a proper worker in the industry. And if I had to say a few things that I can remind, were like being scared, but not a bad scare, like being scared, but how big and how different the things are, and how big of a change in my life it would happen. So I was looking for a place, I'd say a good place to do my master's thesis, and Aloft appeared as an option through my mom that works with some enterprises, and yeah, she told me that Aloft was a good option. I tried, and here I am today. So I've been involved in a few projects other than my master's thesis that not only analyzing and trying to optimize the injection process. I've worked in a few things, development of new sole, development, or like doing experience changing materials and to try to do the same sole with other different material that's like more environmental friendly and those kinds of things. But the project I've been most involved in was studying of an injection process, simulating an injection process throughout a proper software, to try to optimize the injection of a boot. What surprised me the most about the working environment? I'd say that how open the people are to help, especially the people I'm working closer with, like the engineers, there are people that really care about you and your success, and really try to help you with your struggles, with your doubts, everything. They help you, and they do not rest until you understand and until you are, I can say a pro, but you really can do the task, you understand the task and can do what they expect you to do. This internship has taught me many things. If I look to the first time I entered here, I'm such a different person than I am right now. It's been not much time, but definitely a rewarding experience, definitely.